Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing clever Amazon home finds that fix everyday problems with simple solutions. These products are practical, space-saving, and incredibly satisfying to use. I've put all the links in the description for you, so let's dive right in. Folding Tabletop Ironing Board. This compact folding tabletop ironing board is perfect for quick ironing without bulky setups. It features a sturdy heat-resistant surface, a built-in iron holder, and a smart wall mount option for easy storage. Designed as a space-saving ironing board, it folds flat in seconds and fits neatly inside cabinets or behind doors. The stable base keeps clothes smooth while ironing small items fast. Ideal for apartments, dorms, or laundry rooms, this portable ironing board saves space, reduces setup time, and makes ironing less annoying. Modern Round Side Table. This modern round side table combines clean design with hidden storage for everyday use. It features a smooth tabletop for lamps or drinks and a fabric basket underneath to store books, blankets, or accessories. As a small nightstand, it fits perfectly beside beds, sofas, or chairs without overcrowding the room. The matte white and camel brown finish blends easily with modern home decor. Lightweight yet stable, it's easy to move when needed. This side-end table keeps your room organized while still looking stylish and minimal. Electric Fireplace Heater. This electric fireplace heater adds warmth and cozy vibes without smoke or installation hassle. It offers dual heat settings at 750 watts and 1500 watts. Letting you control comfort easily. The realistic 3D LED flame effect looks great even without heat. Built-in safety protection prevents overheating and tip-overs. As a portable fireplace heater, it moves easily between bedrooms, offices, or living rooms. It works as both a space heater and decorative piece. If you want an indoor heater that feels warm and safe, this compact fireplace delivers comfort without the mess of real flames. Touchless Smart Trash Can. This touchless smart trash can keep your space cleaner with hands-free convenience. It uses a responsive motion sensor to open the lid automatically, reducing contact and germs. Its slim design fits easily in bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices. As a small garbage can, it holds daily waste without taking up much space. The quiet lid closes tightly to lock in odors. If you want a modern trash solution that feels hygienic and hassle-free, this automatic trash can is a must-have. Portable Washing Machine. This portable washing machine is ideal for small laundry loads anywhere. It features a 17-liter capacity with 3 cleaning modes for baby clothes, underwear, and socks. The compact design folds down for easy storage after use. As a mini washer, it's perfect for dorms, travel, camping, or apartments. The built-in spinner helps remove excess water quickly. It saves water and energy while still delivering deep cleaning. Commercial Ozone Generator. This commercial ozone generator is designed for powerful odor removal in tough spaces. With a high 48,000 mg output, it eliminates smoke, pet smells, mold odors, and car odors at the source. As an ozone machine, it doesn't cover smells, it destroys them completely. The portable design allows easy use in homes, vehicles, or industrial areas. Simple controls make operation straightforward. Ideal for deep cleaning and restoration jobs, this ozone air purifier delivers professional-level results. Extra Large Reading Pillow. This extra large reading pillow offers full-body comfort for long-sitting sessions. Made with supportive memory foam, it provides strong back and arm support for reading, gaming, or working in bed. As a lap desk pillow, it helps improve posture and reduce strain on your neck and shoulders. The wide armrests feel cozy and stable. Designed for adults, it fits beds, sofas, and floors easily. Touch Bedside Table Lamp. This Touch Bedside Table Lamp blends soft lighting with smart charging features. It offers three-way touch dimming, letting you adjust brightness with a simple tap. The built-in USB-C and USB-A ports charge your devices while you sleep. As a nightstand lamp, the warm LED light feels calming and gentle on the eyes. The white opal glass shade spreads light evenly across the room. Perfect for bedrooms and desks, this small lamp keeps your space tidy and convenient. Cordless stick vacuum. This cordless stick vacuum delivers strong suction power with up to 35 kPa performance for deep cleaning. It features a detachable battery, LED display, and up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. As a rechargeable vacuum cleaner, it easily converts into an 8-in-1 handheld for stairs, cars, and furniture. The lightweight design makes cleaning effortless, while the powerful motor handles pet hair, carpets, and hard floors. Essential Oil Diffuser. This large-capacity essential oil diffuser fills your room with calming aromas while adding moisture to the air. It uses ultrasonic technology for quiet operation and includes a remote control for easy adjustments. With 7 LED color options, it doubles as ambient lighting. As an aromatherapy humidifier, it features timers and automatic shutoff for safety. The 500 milliliter tank is ideal for large rooms and long sessions. Perfect for relaxation, sleep, or focus, this diffuser creates a calm atmosphere. Over-toilet storage cabinet. This over-toilet storage cabinet turns unused bathroom space into organized storage. It features adjustable shelves, double doors, and an open shelf for easy access. As a bathroom space saver, it stores towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies neatly. The tall wooden frame stands securely without wall drilling. Its clean design fits most bathroom styles. Easy to assemble and practical for small bathrooms, this toilet rack reduces clutter instantly. Glass cooking pot. This glass cooking pot is made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass for safe stovetop cooking. With a 1.5-liter capacity, it's perfect for soup, pasta, noodles, milk, and tea. The transparent design lets you monitor food while cooking. As a glass saucepan, it doesn't absorb odors or flavors. If you want cookware that looks elegant while staying practical, this glass pot brings clarity and control to everyday cooking.